today I have a review on some Olaplex masks for your hair. They did send me these for review purpose, but I wanted to go through my experience with them, what I liked, what I didn't like, and give you guys my thoughts. These are pretty pricey. I would say, especially now during the holidays, is the best time to pick them up. A lot of times Ulta will have like major sales. They'll have Olaplex like 30% off. Even their own website has like really great deals. So that's the time to pick up any Olaplex stuff. That's usually when I pick up like their shampoo and conditioner. So save your money. I usually always wait for good sales, but let's get into it. We have both masks here, and basically these are like hydration masks. So let's go ahead and start with the first one. This one here is their Weightless Nourishing mask. This one is for fine to medium hair. I have really fine hair and I've been testing these out for a few months now. This is something that you do like maybe once a week. Let me go ahead and show you guys. Mine's a little yucky, but that's how much I've used. I've used probably like half of the tub or a little bit less than that. And these have like their signature Olaplex smell. Like if you've used any of their products, they have like a signature smell to them, and these both smell like that. So this one here is more lighter. It doesn't feel as rich or thick. The cream itself, like when you hold it in your hands, it's gonna feel lighter than the other one that is way thicker. This works really nicely on my hair. I put it usually from around like my ear down on my hair and use very sparingly on, sparingly. Is that a word? Damn it. I put very little on the crown of my head. So basically I really want to hydrate this part of my hair. I will say when I come out of the shower, this one doesn't like help detangle my hair as much as the richer, thicker one, but this one gives so much volume to my hair. When I dry my hair, I'll try to put a video where I use the thinner one. Today I use the thicker one, but when I use the thinner one, I just feel like it gives my hair like more volume, like insane volume. And I have really thin, flat hair, so I really see the difference. Hopefully you guys will see the difference. I did some shorts and was like, damn, like you can really tell I have some volume on that. That being said, I feel like you should style your hair after using these. I don't really like the way my hair air dries when I use these masks. That is the only kind of downfall for me. I feel like it almost doesn't like take effect until I like dry it. When I dry it, I feel like my hair feels so nice and smooth, and like it adds some volume, and it helps, like especially the thicker one helps detangle. But when it air dries, I just feel like it doesn't, I don't know, it doesn't have that same vibe. Like I don't get that full salon type of experience. So I would say use this mask, especially the days that you're gonna be doing your hair, you're gonna blow dry it, and you're gonna see such a difference with like how hydrated, how nice and healthy and shiny your hair looks. I just feel like my hair just looks super hydrated. It looks nice and healthy, and it gives volume. Especially the light one gives my fine hair so much volume, and I love the way it looks. Like I said, these are pretty pricey, and it comes with 6.7 fluid ounces. And it basically tells you like after shampooing, apply it to your hair, focusing on the mid-length to ends, and leave for 3 to 5 minutes. Usually I leave it a little longer sometimes. I try to leave it till the end of my shower, and after I'm fully like done with everything else, that's when I rinse it off. But I do recommend, especially if you want volume, if you have thin hair, I feel like this one is really nice, and I do like my experience with it. So let's get into the Rich Hydration Mask. This one is for medium to thick or dry hair. Again, it has the lid. Mine are wet because they've been in my shower, but you can definitely see the difference. This one is more of a really rich, thick cream. Like when you put your hand in there, you're gonna feel it. Like it's thicker. It's a lot more dense on the hair, and it's also more hydrating on the hair. I feel like between these two, this one's gonna be for like if you have dry hair but thin hair, you might want to go with this one just because of how thick and hydrating it is. This one adds hydration but not as much. Like when I use this when I come out of the shower and start like detangling my hair, I can see the difference when I detangle. It really does help just kind of smooth out the hair, and I don't feel like I'm tugging on my hair as much. This one again has that Olaplex type of smell to it. If you've used Olaplex products, I think that you will know what I'm talking about. And this one, the difference with this one is that I feel like it weighs your hair down a little bit more. So this one, I don't get as much volume. It's the one that I used today. I feel like you could tell, like even from the video that I showed earlier, that this one does not give as much volume. It gives more hydration, more strength to the hair, but it doesn't give as much volume as when I use the light version. So you can't win them all. Apparently you can only have like one or the other. Okay, and then I pulled up the Ulta website. It has really great reviews. It's like a 4.7 in the Ulta website. And what they say about the rich hydration one is that it's smooth, it has a buttery texture, it says that it has frizz control and deep hydration, while the more weightless light one is airy, whipped texture, volume, lightweight, and hydration. So they're both for hydration. This one gives like massive hydration, the one that's more richer. The other one has hydration but not as much, and it is more volume to the hair. Overall, both of these are really great. I have had like a really good experience with these. My number one tip would be to use them at least like once a week. I also hairstyle my hair those days. Those are the days that I'm going to blow dry my hair. I just don't really like, I feel like it looks better if I blow dry it when using these than when I leave it to air dry. But those are my thoughts. If you have any questions, leave them down below. They also say that after using this like 5 different times, you're gonna see like an improvement with the strength and your hair itself. I feel like I have pretty healthy hair for the most part, but I do really enjoy Olaplex's products. I feel like my hair just like does well with them, so I think it's something that you can try out and see how it goes, especially during like sales or you know, any discount time. It's a great time to try it out and see for yourself if it works for you. Anyways, I hope this was helpful if you're looking into either or of these masks. Let me know your thoughts down below. If you have tried this, I'd love to hear your opinion. Share it with us, whether it be positive or negative. If you're new here, I'd love to have you subscribe. It's free. All you gotta do is hit that little red button around here. I have my socials down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.